Hi, I'm Dave with Autozone. Today we're going to talk about how to decide what motor oil is right for the life of your engine. Smart motor oil decisions help your vehicle last longer and have a better life overall. Engines have the hardest job when it comes to our car. That's why it's important to give your engine the proper care to provide years of smooth rides ahead. Don't risk your engine and find out which is the best motor oil for the way your engine's built, its stage of life, and the way you drive. Let's go over the four main types of oil. First, conventional oil. Conventional oil provides good lubrication, cleaning additives, and is less expensive than synthetic oil. It is also proven to minimize sludge and varnish deposits created by the combustion process in your engine. That's important because too much buildup can lead to performance problems like loss of power, friction, and reducing gas mileage. While conventional oil is a good choice for many cars, some engines will perform better and last longer with high mileage or synthetic oils. Synthetic blend, cleaner than conventional oil, resists high heat, but cheaper than full synthetic. If you are looking for a little more protection, you may want to consider a synthetic blend, which is exactly what it sounds like, a combination of conventional and synthetic oil. Synthetic oils provide super lubrication, withstands extreme heat, and extends oil change intervals. Synthetic oils deliver the ultimate engine protection in all driving and performance circumstances with superior cleaning properties. Choosing synthetic oils is a good idea when driving in extremely hot, cold, or dusty conditions, or if you simply want the best for your car. High mileage. A high mileage formula is better for high mileage engines for several reasons. It contains additives that condition seals to help stop minor oil leaks. It rejuvenates aging seals and helps prevent them from cracking and leaking. They also include more powerful detergent and additional anti-wear agents. Always think specific to your car and your driving. Make sure the oil you choose always fits within the guidelines of your manufacturer's owner's manual. Talk to your experts at AutoZone or simply visit autozone.com for more information on which motor oil is right for your vehicle. And for more helpful tips, be sure to like and subscribe.